How to change name on Discord. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to change name on Discord. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what you need to do is just head over to our Discord right here, and then from in there you can see your actual Discord homepage. So from in there you can see those buttons on the bottom right here, so just click on the last button, which will redirect you to your profile right here. So if you want to change your name, what you need to do is to just click on this profiles right here, and then from in there you can see your display names, pronouns, and about me. So if you want to remove it, just click on this X mark right here, and then just click on this bar again, and then from in there you can type in the display name that you want to add. So let's type in BM Frames like that, and just click on save right here in order to save your profile. So now it has been saved, so let's go back again. As you can see, it has now reflected my name on my Discord. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change name on Discord. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.